Hello guys, so today I will show you how to get Gba4ios, how to install the games that I have right now. Pokemon Fire Red, it's working perfectly. So one, go to any internet browser and then just type in Gba4ios, and then just press the arrow that shows, and then press get. And then it says, would you like to install Gba4ios? I press cancel. I don't want to get it because I already have it right there. So just search up. It's going to let you go to Google, search up Gba4ios. Oh, no, ROMs. Mistake. So, and then ROMs. And then you'll see Game Boy Advance. Just press it. The third one. I use the third one. And then, and then you search up any kind of Game Boy Advance you want. For example, Mortal Kombat X. Oh, no, Mortal Kombat X. See, look, there's, oh no, look at the X. And there's Mortal Kombat Deadly Violence. And then you just press download. And then it's going to say this thing. You just want to read it and then download. Then click anything you want. And sorry if you guys can hear the background, and then just press done. Then you'll see it downloading. Boom. It's going to be right there. See? It's working perfectly, guys. As to show you proof, it is. So look, see? Here, look, just press start. Down there. See? It's all perfectly working. Okay, see? Create profile, enter name or something. See? So it's working perfectly. So bye!